And the winner of Inca Award for Best Director, Oriya, is Sabyasachi Mohapatra and Kumar C. Dev Mohapatra for Ananta.
Jai Jagannath. Thanks, Inca, for this opportunity they have given us and for this award. I have to thank my total crew, producer, team, and actors, and especially my hero, whose name is also Sabyasachi. I am Sabyasachi Mohapatra, he is Sabyasachi Mishra, superstar of Odia cinema. And he put on weight 60 kg more. Because I was making a film on a classic subject, written by the first writer of Odia, Vyasakvi Fakir Mohan Senapati. I insisted him, and he put on his weight with a big Tommy, and it was a super duper hit film. It is always a proud moment for a father if he shares the award with his son. And thanks all my crew members for the same. Now my wife always insists, don't make films further. You are 76 years old. But my son encourages, you make films. I am with you. Kumar.
Thank you, everybody. First of all, thank you, Odisha. This goes to Odisha. Like Dad has thanked everybody. So I will just thank people we leave out most of the times, which is my mom, my wife, my daughter and son. And thank you. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Thank you, Taha, and thank you, Isha. Thank you very much for doing the honors for us tonight.